I'm gonna laterally flex. Got it. There we go. You guys hear that one? Tell them.
Wow, that was very loud.
So today we're at Bergen County Horse Rescue. This is a beautiful farm and they've been in operation since 2016 and they rescue horses. They often rehabilitate them and get them adopted out, but if they can't get them adopted out, the horses are safe to be here for the rest of their lives. And if you are interested in helping them out, look at Bergen County Horse Rescue website, and they do have a donation page, so maybe check out if there's any horse that you want to sponsor or any way that you want to be involved. They can always use some help. All right, so we got Prince here today. So we're gonna check you out. I'm gonna just get you to chew a little bit first. And I'm gonna check your top bone first. My finger's in his mouth, if you're wondering. I got one finger in. Probably not gonna try my second finger, but meanwhile, I'm sneaking my hand up to the neck and I'm trying to loosen this neck up. And, oh, it just cracked already. Did you hear that?
I did.
Okay, I'm just gonna stretch you a little bit. Good. Nice. Okay. Nice. Here we go. Nice. There you go. Nice. You feel that little pop? Now he's gonna stretch this out. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna put it down real soft, okay? Real soft. Not yet. Not yet. Very soft. Are you paying attention to me? Ready? And then pull it back. Boom. I'm gonna laterally flex. Got it. Does a little lick and chew on that one. He's gonna take about 20 seconds for that though. Gotta wait a second. So we're looking to see if he has a licking and chewer response where it goes. Boom. Right there, that's what we want to see. Now watch me bring his back up, okay? So his back is a little saggy right here because of gravity, because of age, because of muscle tone. And I'm gonna flex up his thoracic spine just with the butt tuck. There it comes right up. And you can get little releases sometimes. Just from doing this, you'll hear it go pop, 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 pop. Good. Just gonna do a little bit of a tail pull. Now you don't yank here, you let them do all the work. So I'm holding it, I'm in a stable position, and then he pulls away from me when he feels ready to do that.
Lots of licking and chewing.
Yeah, because it's a really good stretch. Oh. Now I'm also going to do a sideways one, okay? And I'm going to work on his hip at the same time. I'm going to get his hip to go like this, in case he wants to do any salsa. There it goes, he's relaxing now. Boom. Move those hips, move those hips. Salsa hips. Good, let's move those hips. There you go. There you go. Nice. Baby, move those hips. I'm holding him till he takes a step. He'll take a step any second now. Watch that back leg. There you go. And now we do a little wiggle. I'm on the hip, I'm on the glutes. Good. Nice. You okay, babe? So we have Spartan. He's about 15. Do you know the breed?
He's a standard bred.
So he looks like pretty relaxed right now. Can I work with you today, Spartan? How do you feel about that? Can I get started?
Yes.
All right, good, good.
Let's do it.
Got it.
How'd that feel? That was good.
Let's keep going. I'm gonna go down your back. You got some stuff in your lower back, so we're gonna do that next. We'll see if I have any luck getting near him. Here it is right there. There we go. Right there. Oh, did you hear that one?
Yes, it sounded like 3 little pops.
Yeah, that was it. All right, I just got your ribs. That's why it hurts when someone puts a saddle on you sometimes, okay?
Oscar is a quarter horse. He's probably 22. He also came from a kill pen, and he's been with us, I'm gonna say 6 years.
So I'm first massaging it really strong. I have really strong hands from doing this for 25 years. And so I'm up there like this, up on the pole, working on those muscles. And let me just see if I can get you one more time to get going. And in a minute, I'm gonna reach under and adjust the pole with both hands and pull it back into place. And I'm about to get him now. I just want to bring that head down just a little bit more. Good. There we go.
Ooh.
So we were able to get that to move quite a bit. You could hear that, right, Erin?
Yeah, I heard 2.
2 pops, yeah. All right, that part's done. We're gonna leave that now. But let me check your TMJ on that side. So we're gonna switch sides. Oh, sorry, you okay?
Yeah.
Up in here, right? There we go. You guys hear that one? Give it to me. Relax. Let me have it. Thank you. This is actually a stretch for a horse. Okay. But I'm going to adjust this bone right here. There we go. Come look from the back. You could really see how high this left hip is compared. And it's the way he's not wanting to square up a little bit. So this area is high a little bit for me. So I'm going to do the sacral base posterior on the left. So it's the sacrum is in the middle and it's high on the left, and I'm going to push it straight down. Ooh, that was really big.
That was big.
The whole thing went like, dunk. It just dropped and made it pop. Yeah, nice. There's also another one here. You have the withers is T3 through T8 on a horse. Pretty much a dog too, if you want to know the truth. And but I'm going to adjust this one here. Here we go. Ready? Nice. Little tail stretch. And we're going to finish on this today, okay? Okay, good. Okay. Nice to see you, Jersey. So Jersey, we're going to start, even though he has some rear end issues, of course, we're going to start right up here at the neck. And let's see if I can keep you in the shade where but I'm gonna feel the neck first. There's a really big spot here at C4 on the left. I wanna adjust this spot right here. And here, come touch this. You'll feel the muscle knot right here. Do you feel that tension spot?
Yeah.
And it's tense because the bone is a little rotated, and then the muscles connected to that will tense up and go into a little bit of a chronic spasm. I'm gonna laterally, is it okay to get started? I wanna adjust your C4, okay? Okay.
He's falling asleep.
He's getting tired already. Bring him this way just a little bit more. Got it. And he'll probably lick and chew perhaps. There he goes. So that's like a sign of the parasympathetic nervous system responding and a little bit of a stress release. Dogs will go, and horses do, or they sometimes yawn a little bit. So here we go. Got it.
Ooh.
And that one cracked. Okay, that's much more relaxed now. So it was spasming and kind of contracting under my hand. So I'm gonna come into we call this the uglies area. This is kind of tricky to get my hand in there because I gotta bury my hand in here. Once I laterally flex it, my hand will disappear inside there a little bit. So here it goes, it disappears inside. Got that one. And I felt it go clunk. Leo and I worked together a couple of months ago, and he asked to see me again today, so I have to see him. Remember? He did. He texted me and said he wanted to make sure as long as I'm here if he would check him. So we'll be doing that. Leo, can I work with you today? What do you think about that? I always like to ask. All right. Look, he nodded his head. We'll take that as a yes. You're a good guy. I really like you. I like all his facial expressions.
He's got so many.
And as I come down, I feel a lot on the left here. So right here, and Aaron, you can come and feel this. So if you just run your palm down like this and keep your palm nice and soft like this.
Oh yeah.
It
right
gets
here.
lumpy right there.
Yep.
That's what I found. But I'm gonna come to that lumpy bumpy spot and gonna laterally flex him towards me. So I'm gonna bring his head towards me. Little more. Got it. And he'll lick on that one, I'm sure, and shake it out. Here, feel it. It's already coming down. Here, his head's flexed, so let's keep him neutral and then touch him in neutral.
Oh yeah.
It's cool, right?
Yeah, it's about like.
Yeah,
I
it's
would
still
say,
there
like,
a little
it's
bit.
About half of.
Yeah, about half the size.
Yeah.
Let me check your little TMJ. Okay. Okay. There we go. Got that one.
That was big.
That was big, you heard that, right? So I'm gonna hit this reflex, watch this belly, and watch the back.
Oh.
There we go.
Oh.
Good.
Well, I've never seen him do that. I've never seen him
Leo, that was a big jump for you.
do that. It was a big jump.
Okay, we still friends? Huh? Yeah. So I think this is a little low on this side here. So I'm gonna lift this up. Aaron, you can watch this a little bit. So I'm gonna come in like this. Ooh. I lifted shoulder. And I'm gonna put my finger right into her mouth for a second because I wanna relax her face and check her atlas and her pole. And so this will get her chewing a little bit, and I'm gonna put 2 fingers in now. So I got 2 fingers in her mouth. And don't try this at home unless you're comfortable with your fingers in a horse's mouth. You get to look at your lips, get to look at your teeth a little bit. And there's your bottom teeth, yeah. And then we're gonna check your pole, which is the top bones up here at C1. Gonna bring the head down, bring it down even more. Bring it down even more. Ah, there you go. Good. Now let's bring it up. Let's stretch all the way up, okay? All the way up. all the way up. All the way up. Okay. Nice. And we're going to watch her lick and chew now, which is a nice sign of stress release. I also want to get in, adjust her jaw. I felt the jaw was out, so we're going to do that next. So watch this. Got it. And I'm going to adjust the top bone right now. Nope. Got it. I'm going to lift this now, okay? Here we go. There we go, nice. Oh! Let's bring it out. In and out. In and out. In and out. Out and in and out. In and out. In and out. In and out. Out. In. Are you done? You want the other side one more time? Are we done? Okay, good, we're done.
He came to us, it was an animal control case. So he was removed from his former home, and the animal control officer reached out to us over here. There was him and I think 6 other horses, and they just weren't being taken care of properly.
Move your neck around a little bit. Let's go this way. Let's go down. Bring your head down for me a little bit. You can do it, just down a little more. A little bit down. And then we're also going to stretch your neck up. All right. Take a breath and then go up again. Okay, there you go. More. All right, let's go all the way up.
I think that feels very good to him. His eyes are...
Yeah, it's a good stretch. You might even lick off of that one. Because the neck doesn't usually go that direction, right? Too often.
No.
I'm going to do a little one here at the base of your neck. This is C7. C7 left side. All right? Ooh. That one made a little crack. Oh, it just finally occurred to me, Picasso, because he's a paint.
Oh.
Was he called Picasso before you got him?
He was called Picasso. So we also noticed he has the boot of Italy on his
okay, so that could be
hindquarters.
it.
But then I guess Picasso wasn't actually Italian, he was Spanish. So I'm not sure. We thought it was because of the shape on his coloring.
I was trying to, I just think it's a unique name for a horse, Picasso.
Yeah,
But he is a paint.
Picasso the paint.
So I don't know. There we go. I think I'm going to lick and chew. So I'm just going to massage this for a little bit. And then I'm going to probably adjust it too, because I already found one that's out a little bit. Actually, Dennis, would you come around the front? I'm going to use you to help me a little bit, okay? And you're going to put 2 karate chop hands like this and this, because I'm going to adjust the one in the middle. Okay, so I'm going to adjust straight to you, but you just give me just a little counterweight. There we go. So we got Wyatt here today, and Wyatt's totally blind. Now, I've worked with blind horses before. I even have a few videos up. And one of the things that I do when I work with a blind horse, so you don't think I'm being annoying, or maybe you think so anyway, but is I need to always be verbalizing so that Wyatt knows where I am. And that's for his comfort, because remember, horses are prey animals and they need to perceive their environment. Now, he doesn't have eyes, but a horse really is looking on a 360-degree plane all the time when their eyes are working, and they're always worried about danger. And that's the difference between a prey and a predator. So they're prey animals. Now, he has to keenly listen all the time to see. Now, if I'm moving towards his back end and he just can feel my presence or me even touching him. He's very curious about me, and he doesn't know me. We've never met. This is my first time working with Wyatt. So you're gonna hear me touch and talk the whole way through. Wyatt, is it okay if we work together today? Now, if you go in with the close-up, I see this green hue in this one.
Both of them.
Yeah. And look, also super cute, his little tongue is sticking out on the side there. Do you see that? So that gets a high cute score in my book. That's like a 10 on cuteness. Let me do it. Except it's not cute when I do it. And just letting him feel me. He doesn't want that yet. You see how he's really nervous about me. So let me just start up here, feel your neck. And I'm here on your neck on the top right. And he's 30 also, see, he's the senior horse, right? You're beautiful. Look at, you have such a nice color. Got a little bit of sway in his older back. I'm not making fun, I'm just noting stuff, okay? All right, so now, Wyatt, I'm gonna reach around your neck and feel down your neck. And then your chest. And I'm up here at the withers. Now I'm up here on the pelvis. I'm on your pelvis now, and I'm rubbing your sacrum and the tuber sacralis and the coccyx femoral, and down in the apex of the sacrum now. Ooh, you just shivered there. Ooh, that's a shivery spot. What is that about? Now I'm coming down the back and feeling these muscles. And you are really nice. You got some good muscles. Yeah, you're a good guy. You hear me back here? Kind of tell where I am. And all these muscles in the neck and muscles in the shoulders. See what the shoulder's doing. I think the shoulder's out a little bit. Do you notice that? So I'm going to laterally flex and just adjust that. So this is going to feel strange for you. You probably never had it done before. But I'm going to laterally flex. My hand's going to go in that crease. Got it. Whew, that was worth getting.
Oh, it's okay. It's okay. You're okay.
And that relaxed in there. So do you feel the difference, Wyatt? All right, nice. So can we do a little more? What do you think, okay? We'll do just a little more. I got to get that lumbar for you. Remember, it's L6, L6. And that's what's giving you a tight hamstring. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring this box back there, step on it, get up and adjust your L6. And that'll take some pressure off your back end, okay? It'll help both. I'm going to do center so it helps both sides. Big breath in, Wyatt. Tell them.
Wow. That was very loud. He had a full body reaction.
Look, he's all postured up. So a lot of energy went through on that one. That was the big one. That's the one I want to get the most.
It's okay.
So I'm going to come back and check on him now.
It's
So
okay.
here I'm coming up here, Wyatt. I'm approaching again. This is the guy that talks a lot. I'm just going to check what we did and make sure it's good, okay? Do you have a piece of gum for me, or are you going to only chew gum by yourself? Okay, that was my little attempt at humor. It's not very funny. Today we have Tucker. Tell us a little bit about who Tucker is.
He's another owner, surrender. So his story wasn't necessarily a sad story, but it's a story that he never got to live as a horse should live, and in a herd environment and be turned out. He was a little show pony, and he did really well, but he lived primarily like in his stall and in a tiny little turnout all by himself.
Can we work with you today? Maybe give you a checkup? What do you think about that? I always like to ask, because I'm going to be moving into his little bubble, right? Do you think I can? You're going to bring your nose down just a little bit. I'm going to let you relax into it. It's a tender spot. Got it. Let's get your head up for a second. Oh, a little stiff going up that way. Let's bring your head down this way. Okay. So your pole is really locked up. Just give you a second. Let the arms go. Let my heart rate go down a little bit. Got it. That one cracked. Almost jammed my thumb.
Oh my.
It did jam my thumb. Let's see if you, a lot of times when you're limping, you misalign stuff. So I'm gonna bring your leg out this way. Let it stretch. Okay, that's what I'm doing. I'm just stretching your leg a little bit. Let's do it again. There it goes. You hear that crack a little bit? Okay. Let this leg come straight. There you go. There we go. Good. Good. There you go, that's one. Okay, got it. Good. Got it. All right. Is the lip going? My lip's going too. All right. Here we go.
Stoic little pony.
I have to get on this box. Let's see which one is the worst. It's right here. Do you see that? That twitches you out,
Yeah.
right? Right there. Big breath in. Blow it out. Ooh. That was a loud one, right? Thanks for letting me work with you today. Everybody give Tucker a nice comment and a thumbs up, perhaps. And he's so sweet. So if people are interested in learning more about what you guys do and your history, and also how they can get involved in supporting your passion for helping animals, what would they do?
So we have social media, Bergen County Horse Rescue on Facebook, as well as Instagram, and we also have a little bit of a TikTok. And in addition to that, we have bergencountyhorserescue.org is the best route to check us out.
Okay,
Yes.
bergencountyhorserescue.org, and we're going to put that up here. And is there like a donation page or some way that they can, also monetarily?
Absolutely. We have an Amazon wish list. We have a donation page. There's also volunteer opportunities to get involved, upcoming fundraisers. So there's many ways to get involved, even if it's just sharing our post as well.
Okay, I'm here as a volunteer today, and there's so many different ways you can support the wonderful things that they're doing here. Thank you so much, everyone.
Thank you.
Thanks for watching today. Please hit the thumbs up and the subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the bell for notifications. Thank you. If all 4 feet are in pain and inflamed, I don't know if you guys can see me, but he's walking like this, and then his back humps up, so he's walking like this now.